Yes, when I first met my spotted, oded, dopalicious angel, the way she moved reminded me of a brown stallion horse with skates on, you know, smooth like a hot comb on nap ass hip. Yes, when I first met my...
Oh, hey YouTube, it's your girl Spodiody Dopalana, and I wanted to do a what's in my fanny pack video because I love this fanny pack that I got from Victoria's Secret. Like, you can see the pink around the belt part of it. It says pink all the way across, and like it's pink right here. And I got this brooch from Amazon. I thought it was so cute. It says Jesus lives, and I'm excited. I'm excited about this thing. It's so cute. It just goes with my hair so good. I got a blowout, so the hair is a little odd right now, but you know, usually I wear my curly nappy fro, but it matches my hair pretty good. Like, not on camera, but real life though. Okay, so of course I have my phone in my fanny pack. Yeah, and my charger and my hand sanitizer, because I can't stand going to people's house and they don't have soap, or like in public period. I don't like touching doorknobs. Of course I got a pen, a lighter. I don't smoke, but a lot of people do around me, and they always like, you have a lighter? Boom, I'm ready. I'm ready for you. My new fanny pack is prepared for my smoker friends. Oh, I got my stunners in here. These glasses, I don't know what they look like with my new bang thing. Oh, they're alright. You really can't see my eyebrows, my eyes, nothing but banging glasses now. Okay, I see you. And I have these in here. Oh, okay. Stab myself in the eye just a little. Yeah, still just banging glasses. I don't like these with the bang though. And my makeup bag. And there's not really much in here. Oh, I got my eyelash glue, because like when I'm in public, sometimes my eyelashes come off. Like, I've been in that situation a few times. Or I got another pair of eyelashes. I got some lip gloss. This one is Oh Baby A77. Ooh, I love this one. Another pair of eyelashes. Some spray in case you use the bathroom in somebody's house. I don't have that poop spray that everybody has, but I just use perfume if I have to like poop at somebody's house. You wouldn't want nobody to know you pooped in their bathroom. And my perfume. So that's all that's in my makeup bag. But how cute is my makeup bag though? It came free with some stuff I had got from MAC. And what's in my little pouch? In my, oh, I've got some quick knives, some little knives. I have a knife, both, and a mace. So don't come for me, son. Don't come for me, because I'm ready. I was born ready, baby. That's all. This is a really quick video, but you know, straight to the point. That's all I got in my fanny pack, but I just love it. It's so cute. It was like, I had the receipt somewhere. It's like $24 or something. And of course I'll pack it different, like when I go to the pool. And I never wear this one to work. My work bag is different. I don't have anything in it but like headphones. So yeah, that's my fanny pack. I hope you guys love it. I haven't seen this on the Victoria's Secret website yet, but I've seen the really small ones that you can't fit much in. But this is huge. Look at all this space. Like, you can put a bunch of stuff in this thing. Look. And you can tighten it right here. It's got the little thing. Well, you tighten it right here. And then you have the rest of the belt is like right here. It's pretty big. That's it. All right. See y'all later.